G'day, welcome to the Simple Cooking channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a giant no-bake lemon slice. This is massively awesome on so many levels. So let's go.
Simple Cooking Channel.
Now for this, get a food processor or just a Ziploc bag and bash the cookies. I'm putting in Marie cookies. Basically a whole packet, which is 250 grams. And just process till they're nice and crummy. Melt 110 grams of butter and add that. Now get a large mixing bowl, add that straight in, then add 230 grams of desiccated coconut. Now mix this through. Then add about half a can or so of sweetened condensed milk, so about 200 grams. Mix this through. That's not going to be easy. Oh, I just spilled it. That's not going to be easy to mix. Oh, I did it again. Alright, I need to concentrate. So just mix this through. Alright, you need to get back in the bowl. No, no. Yes, yes. Get a baking tray, lamington tray. Doesn't matter what size. I'm using a really big one. You can use different sizes, put them in two if you want. I just think this is probably a good size for the mixture I've made. Just spread it out. Down. Get something like a glass with a flat base. Now just pop this in the fridge and we'll get on to the next part. Now for the icing top, get a large mixing bowl and put in 2 cups of icing sugar. Put in 40 grams of softened butter. Add about 5 tablespoons of desiccated coconut and about 100 ml of lemon juice. Fresh is best. Now for this, get about 2 tablespoons of lemon zest. I like to put it in the topping. Now we want to mix this together. Just start it on low. And increase if you need to. I'll get the icing mixture, put it over the top, and spread it out. Once you've done that and you've got the thickness and the whatever you want with the top, once you've done this, pop this in the fridge until the top sets. Well, I hope you like this. Look at that. Well, I won't be tasting this, unfortunately, because I've actually made this for my mother-in-law so she can have something nice to eat. I'll see you next time for my next meal.
Simple cooking, simple